If TikTok is banned in your country and you want to download it on an iPhone, then you can simply follow this step. First of all you have to do is open the App Store on your mobile device. Inside the App Store, tap on your Apple ID, your name at the top right corner of your screen. And after you do so, again tap on your name at the top. After that, you can simply view the account settings. There, tap country/reason option available there. After that, wait for a few moments. Then you will get to see change country or region option available on your screen. Tap on it. Now from the list of the countries, select a country where TikTok is available. So after you select the country, agree to the terms and the conditions provided by tapping on the agree button at the top right corner. Now after you do so, enter new billing details. If you don't have any billing details, then you can simply tap on the none option available there. Then all you have to do is enter the address and some personal information and tap on the next to save the changes. After that, go back to the App Store home screen and simply tap on the search address bar and search for the TikTok app. As you can see, you will get to see the TikTok app on your screen there. If you want, you can switch your region back to your original country after downloading TikTok as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.